chromatic. Chromatic. Wait, what? Yo, I got a 20 mil. What else I got?
Bruh.
I got nothing else. Are you kidding me? I got Celestial. That's all. One. Oh. What?
So what the hell?
1 bill? Bro. Damn. It looks nothing like a 1 billion cutscene, bro. Okay. Okay. Get off everything. I'm gonna do that, and then do that, then do this. Now it's just having a potion and potion of power. See what I get. Yo, what? Oh wait. Let's do that like, and then about, I guess. Yo, let's go. I got a global. What is this? Wings? Withered? No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! Yo! There's no way! There's no way! No way! Bro! What? There's no way! Okay. Dude, I got... Yo! Let's go! No way! Dude, I'm nervous, dude! Good. Got hold of this. Okay, enough everything. Dude, look at all of these buffs. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Fine, man. Fine. Come on. Yo, no way I got that. Crash out. Please, don't disappoint me. No. Bro, that leg spike really scared me. No. Please, man. Dude, there's no way.
Nice. Yeah, boy.
Oh my god! Wow!
These, damn, dude. No way I got Arcane Dark. No way. I got Arcane Dark. Damn. Potion, please. Please, just one global. Just one global. Please.